Hello and welcome. Today we're doing basic editing on DaVinci. And welcome to Mac Mingle as we dive into this process. This is good enough for me. If you're an audio engineer, you might need more. Basically, press Command and Spacebar and type in DaVinci Resolve, and DaVinci opens up. Let's open up a file I've been working on in Orbital Sander and pop that open, and DaVinci is running right now. And what we need to do is go to Fairlight. So basically, we go down and look at the video clip. It's got audio and it's got video. It ends right here. Let's just drag that bar back a little bit so we can see what we're looking at. And here's your audio track we're editing. That's Fairlight right here. Let's go ahead and click Fairlight. And that opens up the audio window. We click the audio track, and then we look at the mixer here. If you don't see the mixer, click meter, and it makes it go away. Mixer, I mean. And click mixer again, and here it comes back. Come down to EQ and double click on that box. This is something we often forget. And what we see is the audio distribution. Band 1 is often turned off in default mode. Turn it back on, and I find I've got two settings that I tweak to get my voice balanced correctly. First of all, the 1. Now, this bar is a straight line when in default mode when you get it. So I drag that 1 to a point where it says 50 and the 2 somewhere else. And each of those other bands does something else. So to start with, while you're playing your clip here, go ahead and drag that number 50 by picking the 1 and moving it. You can see the number changes. And that changes the voice if you're listening to it real time or the sound. I find a spot where I like the 50 and I stop it there. Then I drag the second number, which is 150. It also was on the flat line and dragged it up till it got to a point where it's at 150. There are more than one places where you can get the 150. You need to find the spot that's right for you. Once you figure it out, it'll be stabilized and you'll be good to go. So once you've got that, you can go ahead and listen to it and say, all right, this is really good. So back we go and we play it. Now, I don't have the tools to play back that audio for you, but you can play with this and see how it works. And you'll see that the sound waves, the actual sound waves, are well within the range. So it captures all the sound. And I could cut off some of it if I drag those dots so that they chopped off some of this noise, or I could stay well above it. So what it does is it allows you to harmonize your voice, if you want to call it that. And that's my default setting right here. You could save a setting and use it all the time. And that's pretty much all that there is to it. So you can see that that EQ setting is the one that turns it on. You drag the first two to learn how to use it. And once you're done, you go ahead and exit and save it. So let's stop this right here. And then let's double click the EQ again to see the EQ track and how it's behaving. That's the button. So remember that. That's all it takes. Drag the 1 and 2. And once you become comfortable, play with the other bands and see how it affects your sound and your audio in the cycle. And then let's close this window right here and come down back to the edit mode. And this is where you would exit and save your end product and launch it, etc. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for joining Mac Mingle. And please subscribe.